system. In education system, the biggest problem is one human being coming and telling another human being, how many times I should tell you? Still you have not understood that. That's the worst thing in an education system.
Igneous rock, sedimentary rocks, as well as metamorphic rocks. Right? Here, igneous rocks can again further be classified as, I'll be talking in detail, but let me first classify this. So igneous rocks further can be classified as plutonic rocks and volcanic rocks. Whereas sedimentary rocks can be classified as mechanically formed sedimentary rocks, that is mechanically formed sedimentary rocks, organically formed sedimentary rocks, as well as chemically formed sedimentary rocks. Similarly, when we go to metamorphic rocks are basically one type, so we don't classify. I'll be talking more detail on this when I come to this particular point. So first, let me start with igneous rocks. So first I'll start igneous rocks. Here, igneous rocks are formed by the cooling as well as cooling and solidification of molten rock. Solidification of molten rock. What is this molten rock? I have just discussed few time ago that the lava which comes out, what happened? It will be coming out in the form of molten liquid, and then it solidifies. So that cooling and solidification is nothing but that cooling and solidification of the rock itself is called as igneous rocks. And from beneath the earth crust, obviously the lava which comes from the earth crust, and they are normally crystalline. They are normally crystalline in structure, and they do not occur in strata. They do not occur in strata. That is, strata means layers. So they never and they do not occur in strata, right? As well as they contain fossils, because it comes in the form of lava, so they contain fossils and may be subdivided based on mineral compositions. That is again a very vast study, but we will be not going into that particular because we are not a geologist here. So it may be divided on the basis of minerals as well. That is mineral composition. And they contain, basically how it is these are the molten metals which are coming out from the earth inner surface. Here, if they contain high proportion of silica, then they are said to be acid in nature. The rocks will be assumed to be acid in nature if they have high proportion of silica, right? How? Because they are composed of what? As you know, igneous rocks, they should be like silica, aluminium, iron, magnesium, right? But if this composition is high, then it is going to be acid, and it is hence called as acid igneous rocks.
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.